Hi, welcome back. Here I bring you more tips to keep in good shape your automatic iron gates. 1. Regular lubrication. Apply lubricant to hinges, rollers, and moving parts to prevent rust and ensure smooth operation. 2. Check sensors. Inspect safety sensors regularly to ensure they're clean and properly aligned for efficient gate operation. 3. Clean tracks. Remove debris and dirt from the gate tracks to prevent obstruction and ensure smooth movement. 4. Test battery. If your gate operates on battery power, regularly test and replace batteries to avoid unexpected failures. 5. Weatherproofing. Apply weatherproof sealant to protect the iron from corrosion caused by rain, humidity, and salt air in coastal areas. 6. Tighten hardware. Periodically check and tighten bolts, screws, and other hardware to maintain structural integrity. 7. Adjust settings. Fine-tune settings such as opening or closing speed and force sensitivity to optimize performance and safety. 8. Cleanliness. Keep the gate and surrounding area clean to prevent dirt buildup, which can affect the gate's mechanisms. 9. Monitor for damage. Regularly inspect the gate for signs of wear, damage, or rust, and address any issues promptly to prevent further deterioration. By following these additional tips, you can ensure that your automatic iron gates remain in excellent condition for years to come. Thanks for watching. My name is Fidel. For more tips, please follow us in our social media here in Los Angeles. Bye-bye and make a good day.